I promise I'm not crying. I'm not crying. It's so late. It's so late. It's so late. To me, it's late. Okay? I technically wake up around 7:50, give or take. I get up, I pee, brush my teeth, wash my face, and I get back in bed for like another hour before I have to wake up again. Then after I wake up at 9 and do what I need to do, I get back in bed. I tell myself, okay, you're gonna sleep for 1 hour, wake up at 10. It never happens. I always have the best dreams, or like the heaviest dreams, when I go back to bed for the second time in the morning. Or no, yes, the second time. I can't count. It's 12:33 right now. I just washed my hair. It was really filthy. I had dry shampoo and hairspray, making it look not disgusting. I haven't picked up my camera since like March, and it's June. And I finished school in May, so I have not been the most motivated, but I have been working out. I've been feeling good and looking better. But today, me and Kate are going to a new sushi place tonight. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm like gonna put on a cute outfit, do my hair. It's not done. It's a makeup, because I haven't put makeup on in a while. I can't even remember the last time I put makeup on my face. Like, I never put makeup on my face anymore. Hello.
What's going on, baby?
Hi.
It is hot as hell in this room.
I haven't been outside today, so I don't know.
Oh, good, because I ain't working out. I'm still burning. Hot day. What have you done today, honey?
I woke up, right, and then I went to go back to sleep for an hour. I ended up sleeping for 2 hours, and then I washed my hair. I didn't mean to sleep for that long.
You sound very humble.
Very humble?
You
How?
want to hang up and call me on your phone so you might be able to fix it?
Oh, you said it sounds like a mumble.
Sounds humble.
Okay, hold on. I thought you said for me to be humble. I'm gonna put some hair care products in my hair. He clearly can't hear me because he keeps saying I'm mumbling. Argan oil. That's too much. I lose so much hair. Ow. Not your mother's balloon moment. Hair spray for highlights. Brush it in. Oh my gosh.
What you doing, babe?
I am brushing my hair because I just put my products in it.
Get the hydraulics in your hair?
I said my products.
Oh, you said you put hydraulics in your hair.
How would I do that?
That's the hair high jump.
Okay.
Okay. So you didn't like that?
I'm just giving you a taste of your medicine.
Do what?
I'm just giving you a taste of your own medicine.
So I can't hear you. You're tasting my own medicine.
Yeah.
What part of that was supposed to be me?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Whoa. Oh.
Good morning. It's the next day. We ended up not going out yesterday because of a little AC malfunction, but it's the next day. It's Saturday. I'm so mad. Hold on. Ugh, whatever. It's 12:57. 12:57. Okay. This morning I woke up way earlier than I usually do when I go back to bed for the second time. Let me rephrase that. When I go back to bed for the second time, I woke up earlier than what I usually would. So I was like, great, this is great. So I heard a buzzing somewhere in here yesterday and I ignored it. I thought it was a gnat. And then I heard it again this morning when I was waking up from my sleep. So I swatted my ear. I got up and I was like, okay, I'm gonna start working out. Well, I had my music playing and everything was ready. I look over here and I'm like, oh my gosh, I see something crawling. I thought it was a roach. Thank God it wasn't a roach. But at the same time, I was terrified. It was this big black bug. So many out here where I live. And they love to hoarder the trash cans outside. They're about this big, they're black, and they look like massive ants, and they fly so fast. I was like, oh my gosh, wait, I've killed this before, I can do it. I took about half an hour chasing it. I sprayed it with alcohol before I sucked it up, and I got so pissed. It was on my mirror just like twerking. twerking. It was so mad. And then my workout took even longer because of that. So here I am now after a shower. I'm so mad. I'm gonna go downstairs and eat a very light breakfast because I want to be very hungry later because we're going to a new sushi place. But anyways, I'm probably gonna have like toast and tea or something. No, maybe I want orange juice since I haven't worked out in the past 2 days. I'm feeling it. So I had breakfast, my phone's charging, I shaved my face, I got all the peach fuzz off. It looks so much better now, and it's gonna look 10 times better if I do my makeup now. I have my flat iron, I'm gonna do some curls. I haven't curled my hair in a minute. I have my clips here to like section off my hair. Ow, why does it always get stuck? Clip her up. And also have some water because I was so dehydrated yesterday. And this hair tool is the Infinity Pro by Conair. And after this, we're gonna start on makeup. Do you see how far out my highlights have grown? Oh my gosh. The one thing I will say though is it was not supposed to rain today and it's cloudy and I heard some thunder before, so, oh. Anyways, I'll be right back because I can't do this and talk at the same time. Raise the fan up in here because it's getting like hotter. Here's the first side of my hair. That's what it looks like. And I checked the weather and it's literally supposed to rain for like the next hour. It's not fun. I curl all the pieces in one direction away from my face. Here's curl number 1. I was thinking for my outfit I could wear like a black plaid button down with some jeans, little black shoes, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that yet. So we'll see. Some days I'll like plan to wear a nice outfit and then when the day comes I'll just put on like shorts and a big t-shirt. I'll be back. Why does it look crooked? It's like my tripod for some reason. It doesn't like twist on like it used to. So I'm gonna have to buy another one. But this is the hair. This is what she's looking like. And I'm not gonna brush her out yet. I'm just gonna flip my head a few times. And just shake it. Like that. Okay. Oh my gosh, it just started raining. I'm not even kidding. It's raining now. And he asked if we can leave at 4. It's like 3:30. How are we gonna leave if it's raining? Ugh. Is it just me or like umbrellas? I don't like taking umbrellas when it's raining out. Like I'd rather just get wet or like put a hoodie on my head or something. Ugh. And it's not even raining where we're going and it's supposed to only be raining here. That's so annoying. I'm not gonna get mad. I'm not gonna get mad. I'm not gonna get mad. Okay, I'm kind of getting mad. You hear it? Great, great.
I don't know if you can get rain, but it's really raining now. Like, you can probably hear it because you're next to the window. Like, I have to next to the window.
Anyways, hold on. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm doing any fake lashes today since it's raining and I don't want them to freaking drip off my face. Matte Putty Primer, the one I always use. I also got this little palette. It's from LA Colors. It's a little sunset palette. It's so pretty, so I'm gonna use it today. First I'm gonna prime. So today we're going to a new sushi place. I thought it was here in our city, but it's not, farther away. And I'm excited because after the first time we had sushi, I was like, there's no way I'm just gonna be like, just because I had this, I don't like sushi now. Which is kind of the mindset I had when I tried it at first because I was like, I mean, Cade ate eel. Like he was eating sushi with eel. Like, not for me. Literally hitting pan. I looked at the menu, so when we get there, I know what I want. And they have like some really good stuff on the menu. Oh my gosh, like everything here looks so good. Like, I'm gonna be eating for real. I hope it's not like muggy and gross outside because if it is, my makeup's just gonna turn really sticky. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I also shaved around my eyebrows so they look better now. I don't really do my brows anymore. I kind of just fill in sparse areas and then I gel them down. Oh my gosh, the rain is like so calming. What if I fell asleep right now? Imagine that. In the middle of getting ready, just fall asleep. Oh no, that was thunder. I don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. Obviously the only one that I use. Put a little bit on my eye, just a little bit. And I'm gonna do the eyes and everything, and then I'm gonna come back. This is literally what it came out like. Just, I did a little bit of eyeshadow. It's very natural. And then my hair was curled, obviously. Yeah, I didn't get to wear like the outfit that I intended to wear because it was pouring rain. So I just put on, really, this black rain jacket that I have. It's like a windbreaker type. And then I wore like a caramel colored crop top, this gold chain, and these little gold hoops I wear sometimes. And just some black leggings and my white Nikes. I didn't wear what I wanted to wear, but it's fine. I look back at it, I'm like, I'm glad I wore what I wore instead of wearing what I intended to wear. I did end up getting a dozen Krispy Kreme donuts. And I tried a Kentucky roll today, which was really good. It's just seaweed, white rice, avocado, and fried chicken in the middle with some lettuce stuck in it and a little bit of mayo on top. They're like this big. Like, I'll insert pictures. They were big. And I also got vegetable fried rice, and I got crab rangoons, and I was satisfied. But was not leaving without getting Krispy Kreme donuts. I cannot remember the last time I had Krispy Kreme donuts. I got assorted. And then Cade got me something from Target because we went to Target before we went to Krispy Kreme. He got me my first Stitch ever. Is he not the cutest little thing? Like a little Hawaii vibe here. So I'm really happy. Dinner was very good tonight. I'm gonna put the name of it on the screen. It's an all you can eat. It is currently 9:18. I'm sweating. It's really hot. It's very muggy. After it rained, there's just like a stickiness in the air. I'm gonna take a shower so I can feel better.